How to use social media to boost your business and personal brand. You've heard of social media, but you're not sure how it can help your company or personal brand. You probably have a number of friends on Facebook and Instagram. These platforms could be great places to promote your business or personal brand. But which one should you use to market yourself and company? Do they all have the same benefits or are some better than others for different purposes? Let's see a story. Meet Ajay. He is a small business owner and recently he launched his online store after knowing the benefits of e-commerce. After launching on e-commerce, he is willing to spread his business via social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook, but he doesn't know how to do it. He tried many ways to get reach, but after many tries, his results were not satisfactory. One day while chilling on YouTube, he found a YouTube suggested video from the Big Faction YouTube channel. He found their content was useful for all e-commerce sellers and he visited their site and social media profile. He found Big Faction as a one-stop solution for all of his e-commerce needs and it has perfect services according to his plans. He called Big Faction for inquiry and he had a conversation with a Big Faction executive and digital marketing experts. After getting complete details about services, he enrolled in digital marketing services. Our team of experts analyzed his account and started working on it. Within some weeks he started getting good reach. Social media have many benefits like attract customers, get customer feedback, and build customer loyalty. Increase your market reach, including international markets. Do market research and reduce marketing costs. Increase revenue by building customer networks and advertising. Develop your brand. With the weekly account report, he got to know how much he is getting reach and which audience base should he target. Also, he was getting customers from social media. Do you also want to grow your business using social media? Then do contact us. We are a team of e-commerce expert, web developer and digital marketers who are expert in their field. We have various social media services according to your budget.